Hey Google, stop the door. Not smart enough. We all face this situation frequently. We come home, car full of groceries, and we want this door to stay open while we are bringing stuff inside the house. But it won't, which is kind of frustrating. And to solve that problem, we are going to install foot door stopper. So let's get to the work. Welcome to our channel, Citrus Home and Garden. So for this project, I'm using this Everbilt kick door stopper, and I paid around $6 for this one. So let's see what we need for this project. We need an impact driver bit, 332 drill bit, a tape measure, and a pencil. So let's open the package. In this package, you get a door stopper and 3 screws. So I got this satin color door stopper which has the rubber base to stop the door. And you can see this locking mechanism to hold the stopper up or down. Now this is the important step, and you need to remember this number, 4 3/4. Now I'm going to install this door stopper 3 inches away from the door edge. And I think that is a decent distance. Next, we are going to mark the position of the top hole of the door stopper from the ground. And that distance is 4 3/4. And also you don't want to make any mistake while marking that. This marking is the top hole of the door stopper and a reference for rest of the 2 markings. So let's start drilling these holes. You need a drill bit of size 332. And I would recommend you stick to this one because you don't want to make those holes bigger so that those screws won't fit in. Now taking a reference of this first hole, we are going to mark position of other 2 holes. Once you have completed the marking, drill these holes carefully. Now the next steps are going to be pretty straightforward. We are basically going to tighten these 3 screws. Now the one method I always follow, I never tighten the first screw all the way. I always leave some space so that I have an opportunity to adjust them later. And then I start with other screws to adjust them accordingly. And that's pretty much it. So let's perform some quick testing here. So as you can see, the rubber grip is holding the door properly. Also, it is pretty convenient to operate this door stopper using your foot. And that concludes our project. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.